Alright, so we got the new Niji mode 5 in Midjourney that is going to create manga, anime, cartoony results. First I'm going to show you how to activate Niji mode 5, and then I'm going to show you some really cool prompts and what are some of the amazing things you can create with it. I can type in /settings, press enter and press enter again. So it's going to show up these settings, and from Midjourney 5 you can go to Niji version 5. So this is it. All you need to do is type in whatever you want. For example, T-Rex dinosaur smiling. If I upload this in Midjourney 5, it's gonna make me realistic results like in the fourth example, but the rest of course is gonna look like manga anime style. And then I also tried out smiling T-Rex dinosaur logo design. It is going to eventually emphasize the logo design, and these look like some amazing mascots. I also tried out cute smiling T-Rex dinosaur logo design, and this is gonna make a caricature out of the dinosaur, and it has those typical thick stroke lines and vibrant colors, where of course the dinosaur's head is oversized and the body is really small. Next we got street fashion model dressed in Adidas and Yeezy clothing. In Niji 4, these characters were really unclear and messy when you created cartoon characters, but here it seems like super clean and the characters are highly detailed. Again, we got fashion model dressed in urban clothes, studio shot. Again, it's super highly detailed. Everything, it looks exactly like how it's in manga, anime, cartoons. We got cute Panda as a DJ with a headphone. Now this came out super high tech, that's for sure. I also tried out something highly detailed, for example this tank. Now you got a lot of cartoon series in manga where you can see a lot of mecha suits and a lot of high tech weapons, and those cartoons are like super detailed, and I wanted to achieve something in that direction, and I pretty much succeeded. It's exactly like in the cartoons. We got cute colorful monsters stacked on each other. It gave me some Pokemons. You got more high tech futuristic weapons in here, which of course don't make any sense, but they look super high-tech and cool. Oh yeah, and we got the monkey wearing a hoodie and sunglasses versus monkey in a streetwear and sunglasses. We got urban monkey with banana gun. Didn't edit the banana gun, but added the yellow color. So yeah, this is the Niji mode 5 in Midjourney. Thanks so much for watching.